Hello students, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are taking political science subject for class 9 lesson post World War political science. That is the first lesson of your syllabus. In 8th class you have studied civics. In civics you have studied about local self-government institutions, Indian constitution and many things. But in political science the further study we are going to study India's relation with the world and some major global issues. Now we are independent on different persons, institution and organization in the society for different reasons and for different facilities. Our social life is interdependent and mutual cooperation has a very important place in it. Just it is true about individuals and society, it applies to different nations as well. A system all these independent sovereign states come up. We call it international system. Let us to know about some features of the international system. First one is interdependence. All the countries of the world are dependent on each other for one reason or the other. You must have known that the nature has built every nation and every country has a different geographical location. Some countries have crude oil, some countries have agriculture, some countries have different facilities. So every nations are interdependent to each other for development. So they made a foreign policy to take or to business, a cultural business or educational level or many things. They have create a policy that is called foreign policy. Now in this lesson there are two world war has been given here. First world war which was fought between 1914 and 1918. The major countries have divided into two parts: allied power and central power. Allied power contains the countries like Britain, France, Russia, Italy, America. In central power, Germany, Australia, Hungary, Ottoman, Bulgaria, and other countries. At the end of the First World War, all the nations felt that such a war should not happen again, and some measures need to be taken to achieve that end. Because in this war, the international level has caused a tremendous loss of life and property. The countries which joined the war suffered tremendous economic losses. Even the countries which did not join the war were impacted by the war. The economies of the victorious as well as the losing countries collapsed. That's why they built an international organization called the League of Nations, which was established out of this thinking. It became an important platform to solve international disputes and carry out negotiations. The main responsibility of the League of Nations was understood to be avoid war. So guys, in the next lesson we will study about the Second World War. Till goodbye.